Welcome everybody to my channel. Today is Friday, it's the last day of the weekend. Yesterday was an active day, a lot of swings. Finally, we have a market back and it's working also today pretty much. Let me show you first Nasdaq. Nasdaq yesterday shows a huge recovery from its bottom that it was around 25,760, and it also recovered almost everything and get close to the top all-time high, just 100 points below. And now after the opening of Wall Street is falling down a little bit, so we have to see how the situation develop. And now it will be the closure of the day because today is the last day of October. So we will have a very important indication from the market today. Bitcoin seems more active today and yesterday as well. It recovers from the bottom as well and it's still going up. So it's the strongest of the company in this moment. Then we have DAX that is similar to USA, just today it's going down. Yesterday the recovery of DAX was weaker than on the American markets, on the American indexes. And then afterwards we have the Dow Jones. I will show you now. Alright, it's in a flat situation. 100%. Okay, so it's moving like this, and I think I finally find a way to fix the Renko chart. So it's working now. The market is active. There was a lot of ticks, but the chart is still going on. So I guess I find finally the solution. So hi to Simone, welcome back. And that's it. So now we just have to wait for some good signal. Of course, we have a situation here on DAX that we can take into consideration because this indicator reached, all this one reached. So today, after many days, I guess, we will start with DAX. We can work on this signal. The histogram is still red, but the slope is going slightly up. We are outside of the band here, and the RSI and CCI are on oversold. All of these indicators as well, with the divergence on the marker, that is the white one. On my composite indicator we have the signal as well. So it seems a good situation, a good moment to try to catch a bounce of DAX. So we will start from this. This will be our first one. Just need to wait. Nasdaq is not ready. It's not time yet for it. And Dow Jones is on flat area, so it's neutral, not interesting. And Bitcoin as well. All right, so we just have to wait. So I will zoom a little bit on DAX and focus on this market because it's actually super interesting. We just need to wait one green brick and we will start from this one. All right. So, okay, are we? Okay. Yes, perfect. Okay, so let's wait and see what's going on. I will show the candlestick chart as well, can be interesting. It's a little zoom out, so we'll check the base it will be able or not to build on candlestick, and check the situation. Okay, just a second. It seems it's ready to build this candle, so just a few points more. All right, almost there. That one was another one. Not this one. Okay, just 1 second more and we'll be there. Oh, gosh, make a mistake. So I'm gonna close one and okay, we will go for 10 points. I double click on this one, so I buy 2 times, and I just close one. Okay. Welcome to Daniel as well. Hi Luca, for subtitles I prepare everything, but I don't see it. Actually, I see it only on YouTube after YouTube elaborate the video, but on Twitch I activate everything, but it seems it's not available. So I don't know. Just 1 second, I will answer in Italian. Luca, ho attivato tutto, però alle volte non sono disponibili, mi dice che i sottotitoli non sono disponibili, però su YouTube quando viene elaborato il video poi i sottotitoli ci sono. Quindi se non capisci qualcosa magari nella live la puoi recuperare dopo, ci sono i sottotitoli comunque su YouTube. Io li ho messi sia su YouTube che su Twitch. Okay, all right, let's come back to English. So we're still there. DAX doesn't manage to pass this level, and is exactly where we buy, but I'm very confident because the situation is good, the slope is going up, we have the signal here, we have the divergence here, the signal here as well, so everything is perfect but this histogram. But when the slope is up, it should be good enough, so I'm very confident about this. It's keep working around this area, it has to break this top. If it breaks this top, we have a very good chance. Let's see if they find some strength to break it. Okay, it's trying. Okay, another test of this level. Okay, very good closure. New top, new relative top, new best close, and let's see if we can push a little bit more. The base now is interesting, and I guess we have a good chance now, especially if this candle close green, we have a very good chance to win our trade. Not bad. Okay, let's wait and see if we have these few points to do. It's 4 points left. 5 actually. Fine. Almost there. Need a little bit more from DAX. Just a couple of points now. Doesn't want to do it. Okay, no problem. We don't have edge here actually. No, not for the moment. It's not that strong, but let's see if it holds this position a little bit more. Not bad. Okay, new attempt, we are close, and we are Okay, all right, very good. Very nice, guys. We start with another gain today. And yes, now we are plus 117 euro, 760 since the beginning of the week. Yes, I break my winning series because I had this wrong order. I closed at break even and I lost €1.50. Okay, we consider we don't consider this one, so we are 8 out of 8 trades. That's my little mistake, and yes, it will be useful as a reminder because I forgot to put the cooldown on the button. So I bought twice. I don't want it. I just wanted one. I don't want to increase the risk, so I had to delete this order, and I lost €1.50. But anyway, the trade was correct, and this what matter. For today, target is to reach €1,000 win in this week. I wasn't with you on Wednesday, so 1,000 in 4 days is a good result in my opinion. And okay, let me say hi to Daniele. Welcome, Daniele. And okay, Daniele says good morning everyone. Again, not the clearest day today on euro dollar. I enter a long trade at 115.54 with a 30 pips stop loss and take profit. I'm currently 15 pips in the red. It's most likely because outlook not clear. Yes, it's a classic Friday when market is not sure. But okay, we have this this signal from the OBV. This is a pretty good one. The slope anyway is not perfect because it's going down, but the other indicator are on oversold, and this one is in average because the whole situation is not that bad on euro dollar. But of course we are on the bottom, and here it doesn't show a clear bounce like the other day, so we have to see that. We have to check if it recovers, and your trigger, Daniele, is to recover this area is 115.49. That is, I guess, where you bought, because you told me you are 15 pips down. So that means if it recover here, that is the bottom, yesterday bottom. I guess you try to buy the yesterday bottom, expecting the euro dollar to hold. So I can tell you this: if it recovers here, this part automatically become a trap, and this is a 15 minutes chart. So that means that, in my opinion, within 45 minutes euro dollar needs to recover this area. If it doesn't, it's not a good signal for you. All right, so let's see what we can do. Okay. So let me show you a little bit how does it work, this new version of Renko. I don't want to talk in advance, but I'm proud of this one. I have the button to rebuild manually the chart if I see some random candles, but it also have an engine that check if a candle is generated with 0 ticks. So that means that it's random, because in order to generate a candle we need ticks. So it has an engine that detect a 0 tick candle and rebuild automatically. If I want to rebuild manually, I can rebuild, and here I have a little description, a label with the status of the Renko. So now it tells me that it's updated. I make it in Italian, but maybe I will translate in English, but it's not important. What's matter is that finally it seems to work. So very happy about that. We are already almost 1 hour after the opening of Wall Street, and it's still going on. So hopefully everything is done. So finally my problem with Renko is solved, and yes, very happy about that. All right. So let's check what we can do. Okay. Let's see, because Nasdaq now has a rising slope, but no signal yet. Yes, we have this kind of divergence, not clear signal, so it's not the best for trade to trade it now. But yes, the slope is up. We are below the third deviation of the VWAP, and we are in the middle between the third standard deviation of VWAP and the lower Bollinger Band, and we are within this situation. The slope is going up. Yes, we can tell that basically we have a divergence on everywhere. Also here we got this, so yeah, it will be okay, but you see it's the third attempt on the bottom. So I prefer if it breaks down and check how strong is the action of the market if it breaks the bottom, and then we can evaluate the chance to rise up. Of course, we have an edge now, 2.8, so it can rise here, of course, but I don't like to take this kind of signal. It's not ready yet, in my opinion. So okay, let's wait and see how situation develop. Daniela, it can happen, especially when euro dollar start to move. You never know if it's a strong or a weak move. But yes, it seems the breakdown of this yesterday bottom is a real one. We have this break strong with Marubozu and no recover of it. So still have to wait and maybe check if it develops some divergence here. But yes, in this very moment the mood is down. Even the slope of the VWAP is going down, the slope of OBV is going down, so all indicators are moving accordingly to the price. So it seems a falling swing to go on. And Nasdaq is rising up again. Okay, now it's rebuilding. Okay, you see now the engine works. It detects that there was a couple of candles. When I check the candlestick chart, I noticed, and now it's going straight up. Now it's correct. It's working. Congratulations to myself to fix this fucking problem. Guys, I spent almost 1 month to fix this Renko chart, and finally I made it. So I'm very happy about that. Okay, so the Dow Jones is pushing as well. And stuck to this, we will check if we have some short signal on this. Must change the version of the panel. Which one it is? Okay, I'm gonna take this one. So nothing to do now. We can, I guess, come back to DAX. Look, this nice divergence slope still going up. We can try again on DAX. Take a look at the candle as well. It's pretty convincing. So I like it. There is a divergence. Divergence also here we can try. Almost there. Okay. Okay, let's see if it push. Of course we will have some troubles here if it reaches, or here, but we can do it if it push a little bit more. We have to invade this upper shadow in this area to validate the divergence, and the fact that Americans are pushing is a good news for us. So let's check if it manages. Okay, not bad. They are fighting here. So yes, this is the problem, this area. Let's see if it can pass. See, it's not active like yesterday, the market, and yes, DAX is a little bit asleep during the last few days, so those trades are slow, but let's see, we have a slight edge, so basically we are there around the statistical chance, but the pattern in general is nice, so let's see if they manage. This is pretty good. Let's see if they can break this level. Not bad. Now it's pushing a little bit like Americans as well. Okay, so we are at the test of this resistance. So this is the hardest part. Let's see if DAX can give us some more. Just 3 points left. Okay, almost there, guys. Let's see if it manages to give us this extra point. All right, it's done. Another one, and we get closer to the goal. Now we are up 225 euro, 867 this week, and 9 out of 9. Don't consider this lost trade, it was just a mistaken click. And it's funny, the profit factor, because this doesn't exist, and so small, profit factor is 580, but it's not like that, of course. Like, there is no denominator here, so of course the profit factor gets crazy. But I wish I can have something like this, but it's unreal. But anyway, I'm very happy about the cherry picking I make here. It was pretty nice. This one, very nice divergence on basically everything, on OBV, on MACD, momentum, the marker, RSI, CCI, all in a convergence. And yes, we still miss this histogram, but it was the only problem here. But it develops pretty good, so okay. Okay, so what's really interesting for us is to check the Americans, if they manage to recover this 61% in order to change the climax of the day. The slope is still going up, and it's pretty convincing, even though we are on an oversold level on all the indicators, and the histogram is still red. Only the slope is going up, so now the situation is not clear. For sure I will not consider to go short on this one. Bitcoin is not interesting at all today. Zero. Let me check one thing. I'll be back. And yes, now it's not clear. Let me show you the Dow Jones as well. Dow Jones is 100% flat, as the expectation here on the Markov chain. Expected trend for gold, nothing new, and Nasdaq as well. There is it's in a downtrend still, as long as it doesn't recover this 61%. And now it seems pretty determined on this. We will see when they will build the first red brick, and we will see if it follows down, or if they don't make pullback here and go straight up to 61%, of course they will try to come back to the top. So let's wait. Dow Jones is approaching now the top here. And yes, maybe on Dow Jones we can consider the short as the slope is going down. The histogram is red. We have all signals here. The only thing I don't like is that we have a lot of attempt on this area. So that means we are very close to a breakout. So this must take into consideration. Anyway, we will see how the situation develop, and we will take a decision. Nasdaq is keep going, and Dow Jones as well. DAX is recover, and Bitcoin is dead. So this is the current situation. So up, it's moving up for all the indices. Okay. Let's see what we can do. It's really flat. You see how it's basically straight, this VWAP, totally flat. Okay, let's wait. So, new top for Dow Jones. Yes, now we can maybe try something, but okay, we got this breakout, even though very small at the moment, but okay, let's check if it's a fake. We will be extremely careful on this if we want to take it. $0.25. So now is 3, 6, 7 straight green brick in a row. Wait a little bit and see. Maybe this can be a good moment. So let's wait and see, because it's currently the only one interesting for me, this Dow Jones. If it turns down, we have a small edge, 0.3% advantage, not much, but all the rest is perfectly connected, so should be okay. I will try with very small lot, so in case it keeps going on, I can sell it again, because it's compatible with the trend, so okay, I can do it. And see if it manages to close the red brick. Little bit of slippage. See, also Nasdaq is going down now, so it's not that bad. See if we can go down here. That's okay. Let's see if we push a little bit more. Here's our gain. If I didn't get the slippage, I will already have the take profit. We are pretty close, by the way. And that slippage. I was a little bit asleep and I lost this extra point, otherwise we will already have our take profit. Okay, so now Dow Jones is still going. Nasdaq is stuck at 50%. Let's see if it falls down, can help. If it goes down here, we can be maybe a little bit more ambitious. If it goes down here, can reach also here, and the support eventually is here. Or not eventually is this one. The first support is this one, so if they go down here, they can for sure reach this area. So we will try to go a little bit lower, and while if it push, we will scale into the trade because the slope is going down, in case we will have a divergence, so it can be a good one anyway. Let's see if the 50% holds on Nasdaq, because if they go, they go. So we'll check also that situation to understand what they want to do. Let's see if they try to catch this bottom. If they catch, they can break, and we could have a fast take profit. Okay, let's see if they push a little bit more. This can annoy us because when you are short, every possible scalping support is the problem to break. So let's wait, because Nasdaq is recovering as well. DAX is going up, is strong. No way, it's dead full now. Let's see, because DAX is pushing and Nasdaq is trying to pushing up, so not the best. Let's see if they push a little bit more. Okay, another attempt. Let's see if they break. It's the third one. Okay. Let's see if they give us this extra point. That will be good because I have to go for a break. So tough to break down this level. All right. DAX is going up and Nasdaq as well, actually. So Dow Jones is the only one that is not pushing up, and I'm afraid they will start in a while. Let's see if we are lucky enough to have this take profit. Come on guys, shouldn't be that hard. Just a little bit more. No way. Sure. I guess this one will take a lot of time because we have to scale in. Nasdaq is keep going, so stubborn like always when it goes up. And at least Dow Jones is weaker, so let's hope we'll be lucky enough to go to the take profit. So afterwards I will go for a break because yeah, it's almost time. Oh, this is good. Let's see if they have strength enough to go down. How much we will take? 60 euro, not bad. And by the way, when you watch my live, don't care about the money, care about if the trade is good, the direction is good, the timing is good. This what matter actually. So yes, we are almost there. Let's see. Come on guys. Oh yes, and it's done. All right, so now we are very close. Just missed last 70 euro to reach our target profit for the week. 1,287 euro up. So yes, that was a good one. Everything was perfect here, actually. It was even better than the one on DAX. So alright guys, we'll take a break, 5 minutes, and I'll be back. Before I go, I want to answer to Daniele. 12 pip in the profit on euro dollar. Daniele, are you short, long? You're long? Because I was focused on this trade on Dow Jones, because I'm always a little bit nervous when I'm short on this huge trend. Long on euro dollar. We have a very nice divergence actually on everything. The only trouble is that the mood of the day seems short. It's not convincing yet in going up, unluckily. Okay guys, I will be back in 15 minutes like always. Okay, so I will leave you with the Nasdaq, Bitcoin, and DAX. Alright, I'll be back in a while guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's see what happened in the meantime. All right. So basically Nasdaq is still struggling here below the 61%. So now it's trying to close a red brick, and it will be interesting to see if they push down and hold this bearish mood, let's say. Now until they don't recover 61%, it's still a selling climax for the moment. They are not very determined to go down. While on Bitcoin, we are rising up a little bit, but we're still there. Also DAX is stuck there. And Dow Jones is trying to recovering and come back to the top, but we are halfway. So situation is uncertain now. So we will wait to find this last setup of the week and try to see if I can close the week with only gains and reach our target to earn 1,000 euro this week. That it will be very nice actually, considering that Wednesday I wasn't with you. The beginning of the week was very inactive with low volatility, not many chances. So let's wait and try to find something nice, reliable. So we have to see, they need to show a decent swing, and this will give us some signals, because if they die here in the land of no one, because here it's not anywhere, it's bulls or bear area. This is just a neutral zone, and on this level we can't have some profitable signals, something that is really reliable. So need to wait. And by the way guys, I changed my mind about this account. I will trade also out of the lifetime, because I want to show you some more data, some more statistics, and also for my other activity it's necessary. So it will not be only what I do in front of you, but I will trade on this. So there will be more trades, and the live trading will be just a sneak peek on my activity, and you can check and share a couple of hours with me every day, Monday to Friday. Maybe I will think about Wednesday if I can take a break, maybe do something else. Because yes, it's not easy to be here all days, you know, because the things to do are lots. But maybe, I don't know, I can replace one live on Wednesday with one weekly analysis during the weekend. This could be an idea. So I will think about it, especially in the weekend, and I will have an idea and I will tell you on Monday. Very good, Daniele. Sometimes some good scalping is the way. Anyway, euro dollar is dying here, it's not moving. I don't like this market, you know. I don't like euro dollar, it's terribly boring for me. But anyway, okay, so now Nasdaq is trying to make this pullback, then afterwards we will see. Now they are all together, the indices, also the DAX is going down, and Dow Jones as well. Okay. It's not very active right now, so I don't know if we will find some extra signals, but anyway. In case we close like this, anyway, it's satisfying for me. All trades were good. Yes, now here is 10 out of 11, but the 11th was just a wrong click I made. And it's 300 euro today. Yesterday was 500, so it's 800 euro in a couple of days. 930 within the week, because as I mentioned before, the beginning of the week was totally stuck in a little range, no signals, nothing interesting to do, so it was hard to find something good. But anyway, I'm still satisfied with the result. Let's see if we can make a last one. We will have a nice edge in case Nasdaq close this brick with a green color and it reach here. We have almost plus 4% chance to reach the 50% back, so goes up by one candle more. And I don't know if I want to do it only because of this. Let's check the candlestick situation. Everything is recovering. the slope is up. Seems actually possible to do it. It's more than 70%. It's a good chance. DAX is pushing as well. Dow Jones and Nasdaq are not that strong. So let's see. Now this one was a fake. Very good, perfect. Let's see if they want to go on with this candle or not. Of course, now if Nasdaq rise and denies this candle, I will go along, because that means that this one was a fake, and if it's a fake, we go up, guys. So now we can buy in case Nasdaq. Of course, I want to see deny this candle just in 4 or 5 minutes, not more. If it does from here, that is the closure of this one green, we can for sure go back here and close our day with success. So let's wait and see what's going on. And sometimes I like to combine some price action with Renko. Renko is price action as well, actually, so the combination of the two can be nice. So if they deny this candle, we'll go up 99%, so we will be there in case. Let me check if this chatbot works on Twitch. No, it doesn't, so I have to figure out why it doesn't work. Another job to do in during the weekend. All right. No, it's going down. Okay, all right. So we will evaluate how can they come down, see if they want to approach the bottom or not. Seems like, okay. In this case, maybe we can have a nice one. Okay, this one is a fake, so we will see if my software will rebuild the chart and delete it because it doesn't exist. You see, check. Histogram is turning green. So maybe we can have a very nice trade actually. Let's see. Okay, just a little bit more patience and I guess we will have a good one because the slope is up, this is green, RSI almost reach, and yes, we need this one as well, but maybe that will be the chance. Okay. So now they are approaching the bottom. Okay, it would be perfect if they break the bottom straight, even though yeah, we can have the chance also on Dow Jones, but on Dow Jones the histogram is still red, even though all the indicators reach the area. So let's see, this is the bottom of the day, so it's approaching it. It's free test, this is the fourth one, so it's supposed to break it. And Nasdaq as well, so let's focus on Nasdaq because I prefer the slope. So new bottom for oh, seems it's pushing so much. No, wait a little bit. I don't know why it was so fast, but I don't know if I can trust. Oh, what happened to have such a huge bounce? Okay. What's going on here, guys? There was this increasing in volatility once they test the bottom, and same story on Dow Jones. So I just wait a little bit because when there is a switch in volatility, something happens. So I was a little bit careful about that because we don't know. Yes, that's why I was careful, because it explodes. So it's better waiting. So let's see what's going on and try to understand. Look at the candlestick chart on Nasdaq. You see, just one, this Marbosu, and the one that comes next is totally denies it. So who's right? We'll find out. But okay, now we have this response. In case they recover here, we know for sure we can go along, and if they keep going down, we will find some place around here, but below the bottom, because they have to break it down. If they don't and they go up here, we will buy, and we'll close our day in a safe way. Seems like it was a fake, that one. Yes, indeed. So now we expect them to break down the bottom, okay? So that they should break it. So if they make a green one here, it should be a fake. If it's not, they go up here, we buy. But I expect them to break down the bottom. Now the fact that the Renko chart is getting crazy and it has to rebuild a couple of times already, that means that volatility is increasing so much, and of course we have to be careful about that. Okay, now I guess they will break the bottom, so okay, we can forget about Fibonacci and just focus on the price action. Check if all the indicators reach the area. If this one keep going up, the histogram stays green, we can try to get in, but not now. If they close one green brick here, can be a trap, and we don't want to be. Okay, now the system rebuilds, so here we go. See, it's going slow. Now we just wait this price. And now the Renko is stopped because there is a cool down when the activity is too much not to burn it. See what it tells me. Updated. Okay, let's wait. Also, DAX can be interesting for us. Forget about Bitcoin because today is dead. DAX is green now. If it goes back to the bottom, we can take it into consideration. This one is frozen now. It will take a little bit to recover because too much volatility. But anyway, we don't need it now. And anyway, I can do it also with candlestick because I already decided if they come back and break this level, we will buy and go here and close our day. Let's see if I can just refresh it like this. Because DAX seems stronger than the other one, and I guess they will try to close a little bit better than United States, so let's wait. Okay, now Nasdaq is trying to approach the bottom again. Okay. Okay, maybe we have something on DAX. Nasdaq is break the bottom anyway. Anyway, I don't want to wait Nasdaq to recover, so I will rebuild it, because now it can be actually very interesting in my opinion, so I will make a new one fast. And in the meantime, if there is nothing to do, we can do something on Nasdaq for sure. So I still have work to do on this fucking Renko. Alright, good to know. I will change the panel as always. Okay, all right. So let's put some candles as well. Okay, if it recovers here with good divergence as well. Yes, we don't have this one, but everything is correct. and we also have an edge, so we can try to scale within this position, and of course we will try. Now we are set on Nasdaq. Okay, so yes, we just wait the signal and get in. Okay, so also now the hourly bar is about to close in few seconds. Okay. Okay, now it's stronger in falling down. Okay, so I guess now we can try if we have a green candle, especially because we have a good edge if it's close green, so we're ready to go. So I don't think it's ready to bounce, and I don't like this setup as well, but we still have 1 minute to change. But I guess it will try to go down a little bit more than this, but we will see. Seems like. Okay. Let's see if they build up this green brick and we'll get in. Not yet. Okay, let's see if they do. We still have a pretty good edge now. So basically here is all okay. We have signal here, we have this one green, we have this one going up, this one reads, so everything is okay. So let's see if they can do it. Just push a little bit more. Okay, not bad. We have to deny this one, like I always say, last on the bottom, denying 3 candles, it can go. Let's see if they find some extra space. How much we will earn with this? 95, it's okay. Let's see. Can do it. Push a little bit more, Nasdaq, come on. Very good. Not pushing very well. Let's see this next couple of minutes. No way, still pushing down. No, still pushing down. We will scale into the position anyway. Sorry guys, I'll be back in a while. Okay, I'm back. Let's see what we have here. We'll scale into the position and we will have the chance and see what's going on. Not ready yet. Okay. Let's see, we will have to be patient with this one. I'll be with you a few minutes left, and then afterwards, if the trade will be still going on, I will tell you on Telegram how it ends up. So stay tuned and follow my Telegram channel. You have all the link in the description, and on Twitch on the info of my channel on the About tab. Because now it's late and the market, I don't think it's ready to bounce. I think it's gonna be a long one, guys, so soon I will stop the streaming, and I remind you, follow my Telegram channel so I will keep you updated about this trade and how I will get out of it if market allow me. 1 second. Okay. Let's see if they do it now. I will make the second entrance. Okay. Oh. Okay. So now selector. Now our average price is this one. This is the average price. I will try to go out here if it allows me. So guys, now I have to go because it's very late for me. So thank you so much to be here with me today, and I'm waiting for you on Monday, same place, same time, and of course I will keep you updated about this trade on my Telegram channel, so follow me. Thank you very much. I wish you the best weekend ever. So see you next time. Bye bye guys.